take that rules of debit and credit. Last class we did. Now we are going to continue that only. Can you tell me, dear, we were in which page number last class?
Page number 7.
Page number 7. Okay, fine. So page number 7, this particular question we have to start or we already started?
I think we finished it.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, we finished here. Okay, take page number 8. Page number 8. Manjusha, I will give you a quick revision. Whenever you are free, go through the recorded video of last class, because in order to understand you have to go through those recorded videos. There are some rules which we have to follow while doing this questions. Okay, rules of debit and credit. So detailed video last class you have to go through, but a quick revision I will give you so that you can understand at least something. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. So see, actually in here what we are going to do, first there are three type of accounts. Okay, we are going to solve these questions by using which traditional approach. There are two approach. One is traditional approach, another one is modern approach. So in traditional approach there are some rules of debit and credit. Which account we should debit, which account we should credit. And for this there are certain rules. First you should know that rules, then only you can solve this question. So there are three type of accounts mainly: personal account, and then real account, then nominal account. In personal account there are three type of accounts, like personal account, then representative personal account, artificial personal account. Now by the name personal account, what do you understand? Personal account relates to the persons. Persons means we, I, you, okay, Janani. So natural personal accounts, in that account who will come? Those persons who are created by God, like us. We all are created by God, so we all are natural personal accounts. So whenever you see name of any person, like any person, you can take your name, you can take Janani's name, you can take my name. So Sangeeta account, Manjusha account, Janani account, all these account will come under natural personal account. And representative personal account means under that group of persons the company represents. For example, outstanding salary. Whenever you see in a question outstanding salary, it comes under representative personal account. Now why outstanding salary comes under representative personal account? Because outstanding salary refers to a group of employees who have rendered their services, but firm did not make the payment. Firm needs to make the payment in future. So they come under representative personal account. In this way, like prepaid rent. Okay, prepaid rent means business has paid rent in advance to the landlord. So it refers to the landlord, okay, who received the rent in advance. Landlord, he is a person, he or she, who received the rent from the business in advance. They come under representative personal account. And then like commission received in advance. Commission is an income. Suppose business has received any income in advance, then that also comes under representative personal account. Accrued interest. Accrued interest means business has worked but did not receive the interest. Any income which business needs to receive in future, that also comes under this representative personal accounts. And artificial personal accounts, who will come under artificial personal accounts? Like bank, name of any bank, SBI, any bank, Punjab National Bank, any company, Reliance company, Infosys company, name of any school. So all those are artificial person and they come under artificial personal account. So it is clear, Manjusha, what is this personal account and who will come under what? Like personal account are of three types. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the same way, the next account is real account. In real account, who will come? All the assets will come. Assets are of two types mainly, tangible assets, intangible assets. Tangible assets means those assets which we can touch and see. For example, land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixture, all these are assets for any business. We can see with our eyes, we can touch with our hands. So all these comes under this real account. And intangible assets, what are intangible assets? Those are assets for the business, but business cannot see those assets with eyes, business cannot touch those assets with hands. For example, goodwill means good reputation of a business in the market. Then copyright, trademark, all these are called as this intangible assets. So tangible assets, intangible assets, both come under real account. And this debtors, now who is debtor? Debtor is a person who should pay amount to the business. Why? Because business has sold goods on credit to those customers. Now from those customers, business will receive money in future. Those persons or customers are known as debtors. And debtors are also assets for any business. Debtor will not come under real account. Why? Because debtor is a person. Who is debtor? He is a person created by God. So debtor will come under natural personal account. There debtor will come. In the same way, bank account, bank is also an asset for any business, but again bank will not come under real account. There are exceptions, like bank, debtors, both are assets, and what I said, all the assets comes under real account, but there are exceptions. Debtors, bank, both will not come under real account. There is a reason. Debtor is a person, so it will go under natural personal account. Bank is an artificial person, again it will go under personal account. Is it clear, Manjusha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the last type of account is nominal account. All the expenses, all the losses of the business will come in this account. In the same way, any income of the business, any gain of the business will also come in this account. So this is a quick revision. Actually detailed explanation is in the video. You have to go through and understand. Okay, now let's continue with our question. Start writing everything. Okay, page number 8. State nature of account and show which will be debited and which will be credited. And again there are certain rules. For example, for personal account there is a rule: debit the receiver and credit the giver. This is the rule you have to follow for personal account. And for real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. If possible, at least these rules you write it down for today, so that it will be easy for you to solve these questions. Yes, Manjusha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. For this nominal account, there is a rule that debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. So we are going to start with our question. First, rent received. So always try to understand whenever like rent received. interest received, commission received means it is income for the business. Whenever we are saying interest received, rent received, commission received, it is income for the business. So what I said, all the income comes under nominal account. So nature of account you will write nominal account. Kindly write it down everything. Now you have to apply the rule of the nominal account. What is the rule of nominal account? Debit all the expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. Here rent received is income for the business. It comes under nominal account. So credit all income and gain. Nominal account will be credited. So debited or credited, you have to write credited. First one is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. What about Janani? It is clear, dear. Are you writing everything?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, dear. Now the second one, machinery purchased. Okay, fine. Now machinery is always an asset. Which type of asset? Tangible asset. Why? Because we can see with our eyes, we can touch with our hands. Machinery is a tangible asset for any business. Okay, when we are telling that it is a tangible asset, it comes under which account? It comes under real account. So you have to write real account. In place of nature of accounts, write real account. Now you have to follow the rule. What is the rule for real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. You have to learn these rules, then only you will be able to solve the questions. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Now you have to think, machinery is an asset, it comes under real account. So we are saying machinery when machinery is purchased by the business, machinery is coming into the business. So debit what comes in, machinery is coming into the business, so machinery account will be debited. Clear?
Ma'am, can you explain one more time?
Okay. See, what is machinery? Can you unmute yourself? Yes, dear Manjusha.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me, dear, what is machinery for any business?
Asset.
Very good. So what I said, asset comes under which account? Personal, real, nominal. Which account asset will come?
Real account.
Very good. Now what is the rule for this real account? Debit, I am telling you the rule. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Means what is coming into the business, you have to debit that account. What is going outside the business, you have to credit that account. If you see, machinery purchased, business is purchasing the machinery. So what is coming in the business?
The purchasing of machinery, it is coming in the business as asset, then
Yes, dear. So machinery is coming into the business. Now, when you are purchasing machinery, means what is you are getting? Business is getting machinery. Na? Machinery is coming in the business. Na? That is the reason you have to debit, because the rule says, rule of real account says, debit what comes in. When you purchase machinery, machinery is coming. So you have to debit machinery account. Is it clear, Manjusha?
yes, ma'am.
What about Janani? It is clear, dear. Yes, Janani, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I am clear.
Okay, dear. Now the next, third one, goods purchased. And again I am repeating, there is a difference between goods and assets. Never ever get confused. Okay, assets are purchased for long term benefit in the business. Goods are purchased for resale. We never purchase assets for resale. We purchase assets for getting benefit in the business. But we always purchase goods for reselling it and earning profit. Both are different concept, both are not same. Never ever get confused. And the important thing is, whenever you purchase any asset, whenever business purchases any asset like land and building, plant and machinery, furniture, fixture, all these are assets, we always write the name of the asset. If business is purchasing machinery, we will write machinery account. Business is purchasing land and building, we will write land and building account. Business is purchasing furniture, we will write furniture account. But if business is purchasing goods, we will not write what? Goods account. We will not write. We will write purchase account. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, goods purchased. Goods purchased means purchases account. So, purchases account is always an expense. Whenever we are purchasing any goods, it is expense for any business. So, when it is an expense, expenses, losses all comes under nominal account. So, you can write, what you will write for goods purchased? Nature of account, you will write nominal account. You have to apply the rule of nominal account. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. Purchased goods is an expense, so you have to debit the account. You have to write debited. Yes, Manjusha, Janani, it is clear or having any doubt?
It's clear, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Any doubt, any time, kindly ask. Yes? Yes, Janani, you want something to ask?
For goods, can it be real also?
You are saying goods, how? Goods is not an asset, right? See, what just now I explained you. Only assets comes under real account, and assets are of two types, tangible and intangible. Okay, like plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures, land and building, all those are assets. Those assets comes under real account. Those are tangible assets. And there are some intangible assets which we cannot touch, which we cannot see. For example, goodwill, copyright, trademark, all these are intangible assets. These also comes under real account. But goods, it is not an asset, so we cannot take this in real account. Purchased goods is always an expense for any business. So all the expenses and losses comes under nominal account. Now it's clear, Janani?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear. So that is the reason this purchased goods we put under nominal account, and we follow the rule of nominal account. What is the rule? Debit all the expenses and losses. So purchased goods is an expense, so you have to debit. So you have to write debited. Now next, fourth, capital introduced. Capital, who will introduce capital means who will bring capital into the business? Owner of the business. Owner of the business will bring capital into the business. He will invest capital. Capital means the money to start the business. Money invested by the owner to start the business. Now where it will go? Capital is again representative personal account. Capital is a representative personal account. Why? Because capital represent the owner of the business, and it comes under representative personal account. Now what is the rule of this personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. This is the rule. And capital, it is given by the owner. Who gives capital to the business? Owner gives capital to the business. So owner is the giver, so you have to credit capital account. Yes, it is clear or not? Are you understanding, Janani, Manjusha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Now the fifth one, rent paid. So again expense, whenever rent paid, wages paid, salary paid, commission paid, interest paid, all are expenses for the business. All the expenses comes under nominal account. So write nominal account and follow the rule, debit all expenses and losses. So you have to debit, debited, D-E-B-I-T-E-D. Next, sixth one, interest received. Whenever interest received, commission received, rent received, income for the business. Any income for the business comes under nominal account. Again the rule for nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. So this is income, interest received is an income. So you have to credit the account, right? Credited. Write it down. Any doubt so far? Anyone is having any doubt?
No.
Okay. Next, seventh, building sold. Whenever you read building, plant and machinery, furniture, fixture, all are assets. Automatically it should come to your mind whenever you read building, furniture, land and building, plant and machinery, it is asset for any business. So whenever asset purchased or sold, asset comes in real account. In this way your brain should work. Okay, these are assets. Now we should put these assets under real account. So first write it down, real account. Then you should apply the rule of real account. What the real account says, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. This is the rule. Now here you have to see what is coming or what is going in this transaction. Building sold, building is an asset. Whenever any asset is sold, asset is going outside the business. So debit what comes in, credit what goes out. You have to credit the account because building is going outside the business. When you are selling anything, it is out of the business. Now it is no more in the business. So you have to credit the account, credited. Till 7th have you written? Both of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear. Now the 8th one, discount allowed. See, discount are of two types. Discount received, discount allowed. Now discount received means whenever business purchases goods from other shopkeeper, they give discount to the business. They say instead of paying 1000 you can pay 900. So 100 rupees is the discount and that discount is received by the business and that is income for the business. Sometime what happens, business gives discount to the customer. For example, I am business and I am selling mobile phone to customer. One of the customer came to my shop and suppose he is having only 9,000 rupees. Suppose he selected a mobile phone which cost 10,000 rupees for example. So and the customer is having 9,000 rupees, I may, as a business, I may say to my customer that it's okay, no problem, you can pay me 9,000 and 1,000 I will give you discount. So this is loss for me. Actually discount allowed is a loss. I am selling my mobile phone to my customer for 1,000 rupees less. Means I am selling my phone in discount. So it is that 1,000 is a loss for me. So discount allowed is always a loss. Kindly write it down as important note. All these are new for you. So kindly write it down whatever I am saying. It's a request. You can write it down separately. Important note. Discount allowed is a loss. In this way you have to write. Discount received is a income. So now discount allowed, what I said, it is a loss. And what is the rule of this loss? Debit all the expenses and losses. If you have to debit all the this expenses and losses, because nominal account, any loss happening in the business, comes in nominal account, and the rule debit all expenses and losses. So discount allowed is a loss, you have to debit it. Till here any doubt? Okay. Now the next thing, goods sold. So goods, what I said, whenever we are talking about goods, always goods comes under nominal account. Kindly write it down. Goods comes under nominal account. Assets comes under real account. Then it becomes easy for you to follow the rules. Write it down. Always goods comes under nominal account. Assets comes under real account. Now goods sold. So when you follow the rule of this nominal account, what the nominal account says, debit all the expenses and losses, credit all the income and gain. By selling the goods to customer, business is earning income, so you have to credit. Goods sold, first it comes under nominal account. When you follow the rule says credit all income and gain, so you have to write credited, because when the business sell goods, what is happening? Income is coming in the business. So all income should be credited. That is the reason you are crediting. Credited. Write it down. Any doubt in this particular question? Yes. Any doubt anyone is having? Okay. Now we are moving to next question. Page number 9. Start writing the next question. State nature of accounts and state which account to be debited and which account to be credited. Which account you have to debit, which account you have to credit. You have to say. So make the column like this. Accounts involved, nature of accounts, debit, credit. DR means debit, CR means credit. In accounts we write in this way. DR dot means debit, CR dot means credit. So put like this, the format first, prepare the format. Accounts involved, nature of account, debit, credit. Yes, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to start with our question. Mohan started business with cash rupees 5 lakh. So Mohan is the owner of the business. He started business with cash. So always remember, just have a go back to your accounting equation. In this type of transaction, what two accounts are involved? First one, what? First one, capital account, because Mohan, who is he? He is the owner, and what he brings into the business? Capital. So capital account and cash account. Okay, two accounts are involved in the first transaction. In your accounting equation, what you will do? You will write in capital account and you will increase the cash. So two accounts involved, cash account, capital account. Till here it is clear. Two accounts are involved.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have to apply the rule. That's it. So first you have to write accounts involved, cash account and capital account. Which two accounts involved? Cash and capital. Then nature of the account. Nature of the account, first we will talk about the cash account. Cash is an asset for any business and asset comes under real account. So you can write real account for cash. Cash comes under real account. So you can write real account. What about capital account? Capital account is the representative personal account. So capital account comes in personal account. So two nature of accounts, two accounts, real account and personal account. Till here any doubt anyone is having? Yes?
No.
This is the base for accounts. Never miss the class. Try to understand the concept. This is the base. If your base is strong, it becomes easy for you to do the questions. If your base is weak, throughout the year and even in 12th you will suffer. So kindly focus on the concept. Try to understand the logic and practice. At your home, start practicing. Kindly do the sums from your book. Don't wait for anything. Start solving the questions. Accounts is in your own interest. The more you practice, the more you become perfect. Last moment, nothing will happen. So from beginning, kindly start studying properly. So now we are going to apply the rule of debit and credit. First, what I said, cash account is a real account. Why? Because cash is an asset. That is why it comes under real account. Now, what is the rule for real account? Debit, what comes in? Credit, what goes out? Cash is coming in the business. So, you have to debit the cash account. So, in the debit column, you have to write 5 lakh rupees. Now capital account. See, capital account is a personal, representative personal account. Now what is the rule for representative personal account? That is, personal account rule says debit the receiver, credit the giver. So in capital account, owner is the giver. He is giving money to the business. So you have to credit capital account by how much? 5 lakh rupees. So actually what you are doing? You are debiting cash account by 5 lakh rupees. You are crediting capital account by 5 lakh rupees. Any doubt in the first transaction? Anyone is having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now this next transaction. Purchased goods for cash rupees 1 lakh. Business is purchasing the goods for how much? 1 lakh rupees. Now what I said, whenever the goods word comes, it is always a nominal account. That is the reason I made you write. I told you assets comes under real account, goods comes under nominal account. Now you have to apply the rule. If goods comes under a nominal account, so what is the rule for this? Before the rule, first you have to check which two accounts are involved. So purchased goods for cash rupees 1 lakh, two accounts are involved. Purchases account and cash account. Okay, purchases account and cash account. Two accounts are involved here. Now, again purchases comes under nominal account. Now what is the rule for nominal account? Debit all the expenses and losses. Here when you purchase goods, purchase is an expense, so you have to debit purchase account. So purchases account is debited by how much? 1 lakh rupees. Now what is the other account involved? Cash account. So cash is a real account. Okay, cash is a real account. Now what is the rule for real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So you have to think whether cash is coming or going. When you are purchasing goods, cash is going outside the business. So debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Cash account you have to credit by the same amount, 1 lakh rupees. Understood? Are you understanding? Janani, Manjusha, are you understanding, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Manjusha, is it easy for you because you didn't even went to school, dear? Are you understanding everything?
Yes, ma'am, I'm understanding.
I am really surprised because you are not going to school and the practical portions I have started.
Ma'am, it's actually quite fun, so it's easy for me to understand as of now.
Very good, very good. Okay, dear, okay, fine. Okay, now we are moving to the third transaction. So, just a moment. Yeah. What is the third transaction? sold goods for cash rupees 1,50,000. Whenever you read this type of transaction, first try to catch what are the two accounts which are involved. So whenever you read goods, as I told you, just catch the concept. Goods means immediately it should come to your mind. Okay, goods means whether purchase or sales. Goods, whenever you read the word goods, it comes in nominal account. This much should come. Automatically it should come. By practice only it will come. So okay. Now goods, when you see, it is nominal account. Fine. Now what two accounts are involved? Sales, because you are selling the goods. Goods sold means sales account and cash account. Business is selling goods for cash. So cash account, sales account. Two accounts are involved. You have to write cash account and sales account. First you write it down. Which two accounts involved? Cash account, sales account. Now we are going to apply the rule. When you see cash, cash comes under real account because it is an asset. So when it comes under real account, what is the rule? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Now you have to see here whether cash is coming or going. Sold goods for cash means you are selling goods. So goods are going outside, cash is coming inside. So debit what comes in, cash is coming inside. So cash account you should debit. So in DR, that is debit column, you have to write 1,50,000. Now you have to see the sales account. Sales account is nominal account. So now when you sell goods to your customer, it is income, you are getting income. So now what is the rule for nominal account? Debit all expenses and losses. Credit all income and gain. Selling goods is an income. So sales account is an income. You have to credit sales account. So what you will write? In place of credit, you have to write 1,50,000. Understood? Or having any doubt?
Understood.
Okay. What about Janani? It is clear, dear?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, fine. Now we are moving to next. Rent received from Ram in cash rupees 500. So rent received is an income. Whenever any income takes place, it comes under nominal account. Before that, which two accounts are involved? Rent account and cash account. Two accounts are involved, rent account and cash account. So write it down. Accounts involved, cash account and rent account. The nature of account. Now you have to see cash, it is a real account. What is the rule of real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. When the business receive rent, cash is coming in the business. Cash is a real account. So debit what comes in, cash account should be debited. In place of debit you have to write what? You have to write the debit 500 rupees. Now the second, rent account. So rent received. Rent is an income. Again income comes in nominal account. What is the rule? Debit all the expenses and losses. Credit all income and gain. Rent received is an income for any business. So you have to credit rent account. Rent account you will credit by 500. Understood, dear? Having any doubt? Are you understanding how these works are done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now the next. Sold goods to Ashok for rupees 60,000. Okay. Sold goods to Ashok for rupees 60,000. So sales account and what? Cash account. Not cash account. Actually sales goods to Ashok. Name of the person is given. See, one more important point. Just kindly write it down. Suppose name of any person is given, means it is a credit transaction. Okay. Here name is given. Ashok is name of a person. So sales goods to Ashok means business is selling goods to Ashok. Who is Ashok now? Ashok is a debtor. Ashok will make the payment 60,000 to the business in future. So debtor is a asset for any business. Here two accounts are involved. What are those? Sales account, Ashok account. Okay, Ashok account and sales account. Two accounts are involved. Now if you see Ashok, who is he? He is a person. So definitely he will come in a personal account. But he is an asset. But he will not come under real account. Still he is an asset. He will not come. He is debtor. Debtor is asset for any business. Why? Because he is a person. That is the reason he will come under personal account. Now what is the rule of personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So debit the receiver, credit the giver. So Ashok account you have to debit. Why? Because Ashok is receiving the goods. Who is receiving the goods? Business is selling goods to Ashok means Ashok is receiving the goods. So he is the receiver. As per the rule, you have to debit Ashok. So Ashok account should be debited by how much? The amount is given. How much amount is given? 60,000. Write it down, 60,000. Now what about the sales account? Sales account comes under nominal account. It is income for the business. So what is the rule of nominal account? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. So sales is an income, you have to credit sales account as per nominal account rule by 60,000. Any doubt?
No.
Okay, fine. Okay, dear. Fine. Now the sixth transaction, purchased furniture for cash 50,000. Again, which two accounts are involved here? See, furniture is not a goods. Never get confused. Purchase account will not come. Students get confused. Write it down clearly. Only for goods we use purchase and sales. Kindly write it down. Only whenever the business is dealing with goods, you will use purchase account. In case goods are purchased, you will use sales account if goods are sold. But whenever any asset comes, you have to write the name of the asset. Please write it down as important note. I want to see. Write it down. So here they are not talking about any goods. By seeing the word purchased, if you write purchase account, question will go wrong because they are not talking about goods. Business is not purchasing any goods. Business is purchasing furniture. Furniture is asset for the business, not the goods. So here furniture account and cash account. Two accounts are involved. Furniture account and cash account. Now furniture is an asset, it will come under real account. Now what is the rule of this real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Furniture is coming in the business, so you have to debit furniture account by how much? How much amount is given? 50,000. Now cash account. Cash is also an asset for any business. So cash comes under real account. What is the rule? The same rule of real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Cash is going outside the business. When the business purchases furniture, business will take the furniture and pay the cash. So cash will go outside the business. So you have to credit cash account as per the rule of real account. So you have to credit cash account, you have to debit furniture account. Any doubt? Yes? Are you writing everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now the last, paid wages, rupees 20,000. Again expense. Paid salary, paid rent, paid interest, paid wages, all these are expenses. So it will come under nominal account. Now what is the rule of this nominal account? Debit all the expenses and losses, credit all the income and gain. And again here two accounts are involved, wages account and cash account. Wages is an expense, so you have to debit wages account by 20,000, and cash is a real account. Now what is the rule of real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Now cash account should be credited. Why we are crediting cash account? Because cash is going outside the business. You are making payment to your workers. Wages is a payment made by the business to worker, so cash will go outside. So credit what goes out. You have to credit cash account, you have to debit wages account. Understood? Any doubt so far? Anyone is having?
No, ma'am.
You wrote everything, all the important points, whatever I said along with this question?
Yes, ma'am.
So today traditional approach is done. It's now your work, your job to practice each and every question from your book, whichever book you are having. It is not my work. Okay, I will make you clear each and everything. It's your time to practice and clarify your doubts with me. So start practicing. Now in the next class, that is on Tuesday, we will be starting modern approach. And this is extremely important chapter. This is the base for our accounts. Don't miss any class. Try to catch the concept. Then accounts becomes easy for you people. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That's all for today, dear. Thank you. Send me the notes. Good night. Thank you.
Bye,
Yeah?
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Good night. Bye.